Up for sale, 1965 GMC short bed. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 65 GMC short bed pickup with the big back window, finished in turquoise and white with a champagne factory style interior. As always, I'm going to go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course we will start here in the front as always. And it is like clockwork. Right when I finish the pictures, the wind starts to pick up and the rain starts to appear in the forecast. So we're going to move a little quick here. But let me just show you the front profile here. Bumper lines up super nice, as well as the grille. And the front and rear chrome are really nice. Really nice condition. You know, light toweling marks at the most on them. But what you see here is nice. And I might as well show you, I'll show you the back bumper when I get there. I love the truck because you don't see too many GMCs. Then again, to find a GMC short bed, then to find one restored to stock. You know, stock height, stock look, stock drivetrain, you know, not a molested truck by any means. I know there's 1, 2, a real small one there and another small one there, but that's as far as the blemishes on the front go. See, there's just a little bit of mist, but it looks like it's dying down. You can see here how nice this all looks. Windshield is mint. Weather, or the seal around it, is very nice. It looks like it was replaced, you know, not too long ago. I was out of South Carolina, and definitely some sort of, you know, southern truck by looking at the underneath, the braces, the inner rockers, the floors, they're all original. There's no repairs. It's powered by its original 6, which I believe is a 230. But I want to double check. Every time I go online and I look, it's Chevy, and I don't know if Chevy used the same engine or whatnot. But look how nice this is in here. This is all mint, no rust repair. They're very susceptible to it. And again, here on this side, same deal. But the engine bay looks nice. Firewall looks nice. Engine looks nice. I like that. The underhood's a little dirty, but it's been painted, so they definitely did some quality paint work during the restoration, that they would, you know, gun the underhood like this, probably had it off. And by looking at the rest of it, probably had the fenders off, probably, you know, did the bed right, all that. But again, we'll show you as we get closer. Cobra radial tires with these white steel wheels and the GMC hubcaps. And another thing, it's got the right stance for stock, not lowered. It's still offset though, just a little bit like it would have been from new. Wipe my hand off real quick. I see a little mark right there, and I see a little stone chip right there. But then going here, really nice. In here, this looks nice. Oh, and another thing, look how nice this door lines up all the way down on the fender, and the door to the rocker, and the door back there. I do notice 2 little bubbles right there, but the rocker's mint. And wait till I'm going to do the whole side of the truck, then we'll come back. See how nice that is. We'll go up. The white looks nice. Let me stand and I want to show you the top of the truck. And you can see, you know, no bubbling in here, stuff like that. You see something I didn't clean off, but no bubbling. As well, a little glance of the interior, but working on down here. Look at the finish all the way down and around it. Little mark right there. And this is a smudge. Sorry about that. That will come off though. down here. Look at this finish. Excuse me. Look at the nice detail on this line here. Back window. That seal's been replaced as well. Look at the paintwork. That's the original bed, you can tell because there's a little dents in there. But I like that. It's no China repop kind of stuff. It's got a beautiful wood bed as well, which I know you can see. But anyway, hopping inside the truck now. Super nice hem in there, excuse me, hem. All the way up and over the top. Nice in here. It's got the GMC here. Nice weather stripping up and around. And the VIN tag is up here, which the other 65 I have has it there. Normally you always see them there. So that's pretty interesting that they were putting up there back in the day. And that hasn't been tampered with, hasn't been removed. The seat is super nice. There is a couple little holes right there and a little larger one on this edge. But no rips on top. The back is super nice. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Paint in the cab. Really nice. And then you hop in. Let me zoom out again. Original style steering wheel. It's that champagne color. Gauges are super nice. The dash is painted beautifully. And it's turnkey. Let me throw it in neutral. Yeah. I don't want it to go rolling. Oh. I knew I heard something rattling before. So smooth. I had it undone for a picture of the carburetor. So smooth, like silk. Anyway, I'll close the hood now. It drives really nice. Choke is here, horn here, and we'll keep going. I would open the trunk, but there is none. You just got the tailgate instead, which I guess I could. I need two hands for this, but I'm gonna pause it, lower it, show you, restart it, put it back up, and then move on from here. So just give me a second. Anyway, here we go, got it down. Okay, put it back up. Can I do it without pausing? Maybe. Okay. Nice. If you don't want a GMC and you want a V8 truck, I have another 65. I'll show you the back bumper. Just as nice as the front. I haven't shown you the body. Body's not laser straight, but it's nice and straight. It's not waving back at you. I love the way the GMC is painted on the back bed. Can I get a good angle here? Excuse my sniffling. Nice finish all the way down and around the bed, just like the other side. You know, this line is nice. Fuzzy got caught. Door lines up nice. Nice down there. Nice there as well. I do see a couple little runs right there. And one right there. This is my water bottle. Put all we have for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Nice weather stripping in here again. I like the job they did painting the gold and stopping it for the interior paint versus the exterior paint. I'm rather impressed with that. 65 GMC short bed. Fleetside. Looks just like the other side. A little bubble right there. Finished in turquoise and white with a champagne interior. But anyway, we are going to show it drive and then get it and drive it around the block. Thank you for watching. And here we go.
This is just too cool.
To give you an idea of how easy it shifts, I've never driven 3-speed and I drove it today. Yeah. I just texted Dad. I'm like, which one's reverse? He says, towards you. Yeah, he's like, towards you and up. And I'm like, okay. So then I just figured out the rest. I figured one was down.
Yep.
Then up was 2. And then down was 3.
Yep.
Yeah.
When I was teaching people how to drive tractor trailers, we had an old Chevy with 3-speed, and I used to teach them on that.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'd teach them on that before we got them in the semis.
Yeah.
I had like a 454.
Bundy bar.
It's just super cool.
I know. I love a good 3-speed on the column sometimes. In the right vehicle.
Yeah. She handles great. Brakes are perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Clutch is nice.
It looks like a newer master cylinder. The clutch is nice. I like where it releases.
Yeah.
We're good. Yeah.
Floated?
Yeah.
Excellent. front or back?
In the back.